Ethereum actually ended up breaking out yesterday from this bear flag pattern. This is very exciting to see. We almost reached $2,070. But after the FOMC meeting today, we are seeing drawdown. While we are up on the daily on almost every single coin, the market is reacting somewhat negatively. In this video, we're going to talk about the results of the FOMC meeting and what you can do to catch the next potential entry opportunity for Ethereum. Before we dive into the news, I'm going to introduce myself. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we have 284 successful trade calls with 0 losses over the last 24 months, thanks to the indicator readings and risk management that we employ in our trade setups. Guys, this trade setups page is absolutely insane. I'm going to show you our performance record, and what you're going to see here is that 79% of the time, we don't even use risk management. From there, the extra 21% of trades are won using our buy limit risk management strategy. Now, we are employing a form of this risk management strategy in our future forecast videos that we've posted throughout the last few days. We're adjusting our risk management based on whether or not crypto cycles are done, what we need to do in order to anticipate massive drops in the market, and we're highlighting key levels that could signal a smart exit if we plan to buy back lower. Do not miss these future forecast videos if you're wanting to maximize your profit in the crypto market. Be sure to check out our trade setups page if you want to take a look at potential winning trade setups, and you can access all that and more with the link in the description down below for 25% off your first month. We are now going to take a look at the news. Fed holds interest rates steady, still sees 2 cuts coming this year. The rate-setting Federal Open Market Committee kept its key borrowing rate targeted in a range between 4.25 and 4.5%, where it has been since December. The FOMC downgraded its collective outlook for economic growth and gave a bump higher to its inflation projection. Officials now see the economy accelerating at just 1.7% pace this year, down at 0.4 percentage points from the last projection in December. In addition to the rate decision, the Fed announced a further scaling back of its quantitative tightening program in which it is slowly reducing the bonds it holds on its balance sheet. Overall, you'd think that this would be bullish, so why in the world is the market resulting in a drawdown? More than likely, this is just a sell the news type event. Whales right around this range were buying up Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency in general like crazy, and as good news came out, the price rocketed up. Whales then took advantage of all of this buying pressure and began selling out so they could make a profit. As whale money sells out of the market, as we see here on this green line, most often the price is going to drop. Green line drops, indicating whales are selling, the price itself drops. You're going to see this play out over and over and over again. At the same time, we see that this upwards momentum has run out based on the fact that we have entered the short trade zone with an 85% chance of a drop. Most often, this means that we're likely to reject to the downside. Now, I'm betting upon this candle close, we are going to see a sell signal, which most often indicates an ideal candle exit. And all 3 of these indicators at the same time result in what's called a bearish trifecta. And it is the opposite of the signals that we've used to call our 284 successful trades. With that in mind, what is the combination of entry signals that we use? Well, we want to see the opposite. We want to see price versus while money flowed low, meaning that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in. We want to see trades in favor low in the long trade zone, indicating that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. And we want to see a buy or strong buy signal, most often indicating ideal candle entries. You're going to notice that the combination of these indicators most often send the price flying over and over again. In fact, you're going to see this play out. Extremely consistent. In fact, again, based on our trade setups, this is 79% accurate. And the risk management that we use with our buy limits are built into the TC top and bottom finder. And I'll show you how to use those as we get closer to a potential entry. But for now, we're going to set alerts to make sure you don't miss this next entry as soon as the price drops. Because I will say we are not quite out of the woods yet. And if the price falls back into this bear flag pattern, we could still see drops. So let's take a look. We're going to go to the alerts tab. We're going to click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, switch it to a watch for pump, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 4-hour watch for pump, click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 4-hour buy, click create. And the last alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder again. Oops, TC top and bottom finder. This time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 4-hour strong buy, click create. And these 3 alerts are going to help you find the next entry opportunity. We call it a bullish trifecta. If you get a watch for pump alert, it means that downwards momentum has run out. We've fallen into the long trade zone and we're likely to see price bounce to the upside. If you get a buyer strong buy alert, it means a buyer strong buy signal has posted. Again, this could be an ideal candle entry. And from there, if you get any of these alerts, be sure to check to see price versus well money flow. If it is low, and if so, whales have oversold and are likely to buy back end of the market. At that point, we're likely to see increases in price. But I do want our traders to be aware and ready for a potential drop. Set those alerts. Make sure you are ready for the next entry opportunity. Our members can get access to these indicators for up to $550 off. And these indicators are used to help this person become debt free. How this person earns $1,000 to $5,000 a day, 10% profit, 50 to 70% profit, 103% profit. Insane what our traders are able to accomplish. If you want to get access to those massive discounts, future forecast videos, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, then what you're going to want to do is head into the links in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. And it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab and you're immediately going to get $150 off as a new member. More savings coming. Don't worry. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this. Throw in that membership code. Fill in your information. Click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go and click Add to Cart. Follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for that future forecast episode. Don't miss out.